Alright, let's do this.
Behind the tower, on the wall.
Also, Tyler's not allowed to fly helicopters
Behind the
anymore.
wall.
What do you mean, Kessler? What was wrong with my flying?
Yeah, agreed.
You
No more,
downed Dustin.
no more helis.
That was his own fault. I said jump.
I almost died.
I'm with you!
You stop
I
that?
almost died.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I really don't
I
like
did.
the first fighter.
I like this gun. Yeah, elimination.
This gun's fine.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
You know you want more dash.
Done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Come and suck my dick.
Alright, let's do this. Where are we
Yu-Gi-Oh players
dropping?
be like, suck my
Do you
dick.
hate it when your deck gets wet?
I
Where are we
do.
dropping,
Or your
boys?
deck just
Where are
doesn't
we
work the
dropping,
same as it
boys?
did when you were younger?
AP, airport, airport, airport.
The ocean.
Let's do it.
Set a drop point to your team, soldier.
The ocean? Awesome.
Do we want to loot first and then grab that, or do we want and then go?
Grab and go.
Alright. Grab it and go.
Grab and dash.
Watch the skies.
Let's go.
Yep. DoorDash. Jimmy
A
John's.
hit and run.
Maybe not a hit and run.
Well, we're probably gonna kill people while we're here.
With our pistols, yeah. Well, as soon as we grab that thing, it's not gonna spawn in the area.
Oh shit, I missed it.
Clear to engage
Anyone else
all
able to go
Yeah.
get it?
Mine's a little too low.
I did too.
I know a way I can get to it.
Alright, go for it.
I'm gonna grab stuff while you do that.
Do it. Right on by the parking.
I'm coming up.
So free buy.
How far away is it? I think I can get it.
I don't think I can get it. Oh wait, no, no, never mind. I can't get it from out here.
Oh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Yeah.
You guys keep looting. I got guns.
I got a gun.
No, that won't work.
Where is it? Oh, it's up there.
How can we get that thing?
There's stairs over there?
Stairs down.
Yeah, don't
Enemy
go down
team is
there.
hunting you. Stay alert.
Oh, we're being tracked.
You're being tracked.
Yeah, because we get it right.
That's the
I'm
same
in the
thing.
garage.
Bro, see what I can. Alright.
I don't know
Let's
if we
go,
can get up
Kessler.
there.
Yeah, we're gonna skip out on it. Find a different one. Oh shit, that was you, okay.
Oh, hey, Dustin.
Sniper rifle here. Launcher here.
Oh, baby! Joker!
Just for you, baby.
I'll wait on the shotgun then until I get my load out.
Yeah, can we need to try for that loadout again, a custom loadout. We got shields if people need them.
We got enough. We got enough for it.
Do we?
Yeah,
Oh,
we do. We just gotta go up. We gotta go up top and then we can get it.
We probably
Tyler.
should go further away. Probably go a little further.
What's wrong over right here, Kessler? Let's do it.
Aren't there people nearby?
We don't know that for sure.
I'm gonna make
Let's
sure
do
to mark
it.
myself as most wanted as you do this.
There you
Gas
go.
moving in.
That should
No.
buy a loadout in the cluster.
Can't afford a cluster.
Dawson just
Alright.
picked up some money.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Oh, now I could if Dustin dropped.
Ah. Alright, I'm dropping that launcher. 'Cause
Shit,
gotta
I
focus
grabbed
on
the
getting
wrong
shotgun
gun.
kills.
Alright, whatever.
There's plenty of guns on the ground for you to choose from.
I wanted to grab my sniper rifle class.
Oh.
It's fine.
Yeah, there's a sniper down there. Alright.
I'll find one.
Superstores are next target, looks like.
Doesn't
There's a
look
drone
like
flying
it's...
around over there.
Recon overhead.
Yeah, we
A
should
little
probably see
far,
how
though, so I
view
don't
that.
think it's worth that.
Forget about that.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like Superstores.
There's a search right there. Find a
Hit.
sniper right.
Let's do it.
Can't really see from here.
I'll take it.
We just need to stay on the move so we can
Alright.
stay away from the bounty.
Yeah, go across, hit the wall, and then jump across the street. If they have a sniper,
Oh, I'm taking that thing.
You evaded the enemy trackers.
Anything
work.
good?
all right, sweet. No open doors from here. Hold up, there's somebody at the top. No, wait, helicopter. Never mind. We're good. Let's take it.
I don't see anything there. Yeah, I don't see anything either.
For open doors and broken windows.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of my favorite multiplayer maps.
It's a good one. It's a fun one.
Kessler, I know you like SMGs.
All right,
I already. Yeah, I'll take it.
keep it tight. Don't go too far away from each other.
I thought this was multiplayer, and I was wondering if we were coming up here. I'll take that.
All right, let's go get that search.
Yep, that's what I'm heading towards.
Oh, I got a shield here. Hold up.
Hey, you're taking a very roundabout way.
Supply
Yeah,
box
got it.
located. Move to secure.
Oh, that's
Are we
close.
good to go?
I'm all
I'm fine.
set. There's nothing else I could want.
All right,
Except a
let's go
sniper.
for it. Cause they're, yeah. Let's save a sniper for Kessler.
Alright.
You can take it. Yes, if I find one, I'm taking one.
Yeah.
I know Tyler's probably better at it than
Objective
me.
located.
I'm gonna take that. Actually, do I want silenced or...
Looks like the next one's back where we came from.
Yeah, I want this one.
I need shotgun ammo.
Yeah, I got 8.
Shotgun rounds marked.
Sweet.
Are we gonna head back towards it?
Yep, let's go.
They're gonna hit the next one.
Be cautious, I
let's
did
see
see a
if there's
vehicle
anyone
over
there.
here.
Roof door's closed. I think we're good.
If we book it, we'll be fine.
Oh shit, you can't jump that.
Boxes over here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
UAV.
Next objective located.
AR.
Next one's
Let's go find
that
it.
way. We're gonna scout out the area, but if you just want to
Friendly
bash
loadout
through the
drop on
window.
way.
Let's do it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh wait, that's actually pretty close.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
I'm good.
Gas is closing.
Armor
in.
satchel,
Relocating
someone
the
grab
safe
that.
armor.
I got one.
Very good.
I got one.
Oh, I have enough to buy another loadout drop.
We're good.
We don't
Unless
need
Kessler
it
really wants
yet.
that sniper.
No, I'm not gonna. There's also one close by too. I was really desperate
Where's
for
the
one.
buy station so I can go get like a...
Oh yeah, right
Care
there.
package here. Forget about that.
Buy station.
there's one
Let's see if
nearby.
I can find a safe one.
Vendor here if you need to buy.
We have
Go to
60
this
seconds
one.
to get to the ring.
Yep, let's
to
go.
mine. Go to the one I pinged.
Go to orange. Let's go. So it's like right on the edge too, isn't it?
It's on the edge, but it's inside the ring.
All right.
Oh boy.
I really do not
You
like
couldn't
open
be-
field.
You could not be more open going this way.
I'm going.
Yeah, I know, it's horrible.
Under the
You wanna
bridge.
Go up there, under the bridge, up to the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Vendor here if you need to buy.
Just so we know where we're going.
Take it.
We could also jump on the train. That buy
Car,
station's
car.
far.
No, train's going the wrong way.
They're gone. Nope,
They're coming back.
they're coming back. Under the bridge, under the bridge.
Get down. Are they coming our way?
I don't know, get it.
Can't tell.
They're going down.
I don't think
Our
so.
way. Yeah, they will. They left. They went south.
Oh god, alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's get out of here before they come back.
Why did they turn around?
Don't know.
I don't like how they turned around.
We could try going through that bridge or that tunnel. I don't know where it leads though.
I can't remember where it came out.
It goes to the other side of the ring. We can't take that tunnel. It'll just take us back.
Oh, okay. I was just saying it might be safer than climbing this mountain.
Well, actually, you can't tell. That's it right there. It might. I don't want to risk it. Oh, that's close.
Gunfire, that's really
Hospital?
close.
That's hospital.
it
Yeah,
might-
I can see him.
Right there.
Oh. I was gonna say that might be. I was gonna say that might be on the
was-
mountain.
That's where the buy station I wanted to go to is at. Maybe
You know, it's-
we go to this one instead.
All right, but we got a
Right.
flank.
We go this way, yeah. Oh well, there's the tunnel.
Yeah, it could have led
Yeah.
us
We
out.
could have gone.
Okay.
We could have gone through
Uh,
there.
Doesn't
Well,
matter
we
now,
know for
Kessler.
next time.
I didn't want to.
We know for next time.
Yep.
Yeah. Sniper!
Never gone through the tunnel. Whoa, sniper!
Right
Yep.
there.
Oh
Get that
Jesus! I noticed that really too late.
Go, go,
Well,
go, go,
he
go,
didn't
go.
hit you, so.
Go.
No, I think it's because I stopped, or he wasn't aiming at me.
He wasn't, he was aiming at me.
Shoot at someone.
He aimed
He's
at
aiming.
me,
I don't
but
know
he
if-
missed.
I don't know if he's alone or not though.
No, he's not. There was a second person up there. Let's get over there.
We could always try to take him if it's only 2 people. We got it.
I don't know if there's only one other person, Kessler.
Well, Tyler, wait. If we go that way, they're gonna be behind us and they can snipe us.
Not if we're. They can't see us if we're indoors, though.
Yeah.
I just
Let's
want. I
take a
want to
second
be
to
very
follow.
wary. I want to be very wary about having people behind us, though, because that's how we die.
I know.
Let's remember. They're
Riot
behind us.
shield
Enemy
here.
UAV overhead.
I'll keep an eye on our 6.
Oh, they're leaving in a vehicle.
Enemy soldier
I don't think that was them.
No, yeah. It's, yeah.
No, that
Yeah, no, they're
wasn't.
still there. I can see the fire. I see the gunfire.
Yeah, if we go out there, we're gonna be shot down.
They're-
by them.
They're gonna be jumping down, so look.
Oh my fucking god. Right outside.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What? Where?
Right outside now.
Enemy
Come out
UAV
now.
overhead.
Let's go get the son of a bitch. I think he went that way.
I
I got
know
footsteps
where
this way. This way. He went
Ring.
inside.
Got gas
He's not gonna make
inbound.
it. He went through that door.
We have to go.
Then he's gonna be coming out through this door.
He's back.
Wait, he's gonna be coming out through this door.
There's a sniper up top. Don't stay close. Stay close to the building. There's a sniper up top,
This is what I was warning about.
right above us.
Aimbot?
You gotta be kidding me.
You win this fight,
I don't even know where that
return to
came
the
from.
front line.
Very
If you
top
lose,
of the building.
you're done here.
Damn it, sniper. He's up top.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
How? It looks like the bullets are coming from an angle.
Yep, I know. That's the issue.
Look, it looks like he's curving the bullets.
He's like up there.
Wait, I hear footsteps.
You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base. If your team has
We're gonna have to
cash, they
move.
can pay for your release.
I'm dead. You guys are gonna have to buy me in.
You can try going
Alright.
out over there.
Path of most cover.
Aid station here.
Tyler, we're a little less concerned about buying you in right now. He's coming.
Ah, damn it.
Aid station here.
I think that one that
Straight
was
across.
still on the ring.
Again, Tyler, we're a little less
Back.
concerned about buying you. He's down.
Finish
He's
him,
down.
damn it, behind us.
Shit, they tagged.
Oh,
Sniper,
okay,
behind
sorry.
you.
He's dead, I think.
Nope. Reloading.
Don't go for it, Kessler.
Shit.
Don't.
Don't go in, don't go in.
I wasn't
He's dead.
trying to go after him. I was trying to go around this way.
Ring's right there.
Damn it! I'm down.
Ah, shit.
Guy up there, watch out.
Yeah, just keep on going, Kessler. Just keep on going.
I'm nowhere near any of you guys. I need to
I want to
shield
go
up.
that way.
Looks like you got about 350 meters.
Oh.
You got a
All
long
I'm doing
way.
is shielding up.
Well, the ring's currently actively moving in.
You
I
got
know,
300 meters.
but I needed shields. Because if I get
Let him do what
shot,
he's
I'm
gotta
down.
do. I'm coming in.
Nice.
He's right there.
I'll meet you in the ring.
Alright.
I don't know how much I'm gonna find, but you got enough to buy him in.
Alright, Tyler.
Yep, that's the one I just pinged is the best one to go to. Or
Ah,
not.
This
shit.
guy right here.
Or not.
I'm coming, Dustin. I'm
Don't,
coming.
don't.
There's 2 guys in there. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not.
I wasn't gonna
do it.
survive anyway.
Oh, you already did.
I wasn't gonna survive anyway. Plus,
Can't
I have
predict
gulag.
Yeah, already went in.
I'd rather die fighting than my back to the wall. They're being hunted.
But I don't think it matters either way. A death is still a death.
Whatever. I decide how I go out.
That's dumb. What if you got hit by a car?
I'd ask the nurse to strangle me if I wasn't gonna make it.
No, you died on impact.
Well,
Don't do it.
Oh, Kessler
Drop
has
shot,
to deal
drop
with the
shot.
same thing I was doing. Hip fire it.
Behind you.
I missed. Damn it! How did I miss? He was right there. No, he was right in front of me. How did I miss?
Oh, crap. I'm gonna quit so we can do loadouts.
All right.
Alright, well, I think that's it.